I want to big up the rest of my Overcomer team,
Of course.
Auntie and everybody else. Yeah.
Overcome, you know. Baby.
Angela, you me come flying now, because I'm tired of you and Psalms. I'm going to tell you now to leave my Psalms alone.
Yeah.
Can't leave me alone. This is a pleasure. Trust me, I'm not telling a lie. I'm very, very happy. I feel honored to really and truly, I don't want to get emotional, but I really feel honored to really and truly come meet you guys.
Yeah.
And to get my shirt.
Yeah. And for Auntie as well too. Yeah. And that is a short cry. Round of applause. Days of joy, man. On if it. Hey, can make it work. Can make it work. Rasta Jackson.
Gonna make it work.
Work, work.
Kino make it work.
Work, work.
Baja make it work.
Work, work.
Bibi make it work.
Work, work.
Jella make it work.
Work, work.
Loco make it work.
Work, work.
Natisha make it work.
Work, work.
Boomin make it work.
What is it?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah.
Oh my God! You're famous Overcomer.
A famous Overcomer life parks.
Yeah.
Sovilia.
Baby! Where is my baby? Okay. Happy Sam's birthday money.
Oh, you have Sam's birthday money?
Yeah.
Sam's, he won't go on the change there. Sovilia.
I'm there. I'm not bother with me.
Okay.
So, painter.
Yeah, so she's from the OverComers.
The Overcomer this, a fraction.
Yeah,
the Overcomer.
Fraction of the Overcomer. We got well entrenched now.
Overcomer in the house. So Overcomer in the house.
And so Overcomer now. The worship. Make me the worship. The worship.
We're worship.
You're gonna find. Alright man, come. It's not Tisha, yeah?
Lord Goody. Goody Natisha. Good girl. love her, you see?
Yeah.
Something here. Auntie Jean.
So this is from the OverComers, you know?
Overcomer.
Yeah.
Finally. Oh, chef. Overcomer.
Never. We're going on the side. Come, we're going on the side.
Okay, come.
Come, we're going on the side.
Eh?
Yeah, so we have the
Angela. I fight for some fight, Angela.
Sovilia in the house.
Yes.
You know? All the way from the US.
Yeah.
You know, it's the OverComers.
Yes.
So this is one fraction of the Overcomer.
Yeah.
In Trenchtown. First time?
In Trenchtown.
First time.
First time. I want to big up the rest of my Overcomer team.
Of course.
Auntie and everybody else. Yeah.
Overcome, you know? Baby!
Angela, you me come find out. I'm tired of you and Psalms. I'm here tell you now to leave my Psalms alone.
Yeah.
Can't leave me alone. Can't leave me alone. Can't leave me alone, because I'm not leave me alone.
Yeah.
Baby! So Psalms auntie here. Alright. Yes. I'm here Sovilia.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm here always at X and I talk about Psalms.
Okay.
Psalms. Sam. What go on, Sam? Alright, voice heavy. Yes, still at the roots.
Yeah, man.
The herbs them.
Up to this morning.
You hear the voice more healthy now.
You see me serious today.
You see him, Snagger?
Yeah, me see him.
Yeah, man.
Nail him up.
Alright, Sam sound healthy.
Hey Sam, Mr. Sam.
She watch you all the time. Sam. Alright, come through, Sam. See you.
Lord teacher. Goodie. Overcomer, goodie.
Yeah. Every time, man. Boy, your name, boy. That blessing on the team.
Lord, me say me anxious. Me couldn't go nowhere else. Me set aside Saturday.
Yeah. Could wait.
Boss, man.
Could wait. For sure, I want to go
I
on.
never go back Trenchtown.
Boy, it's a blessing. It's a blessing for your support, you know?
Yeah, man. I feel good doing it. Me get a rush.
Yeah.
Trust me.
You know that you're here.
I know your house.
No, man, that's Jinjin.
Oh,
That's ginger inside here.
Yeah. So you can check Jinjin. Jinjin.
okay. Alright.
Alright. Go on the side.
Liquor. Good evening, miss. How you doing? Natisha, ready for work.
Natisha, all that work.
Boy, Natisha, I'm proud of you, see. You say, you know you never ever let me go. Love you, no one. Projects. What your cousin doing?
On the side there.
I call auntie, mama.
Yeah, call auntie. Hold on. Walk over.
Jesus. So you don't know more about this.
Yeah.
I'm a friend, maybe, you know.
Yeah, charm. But me go for Donna.
Dogs, what are you doing? Yeah, cook some food, mommy.
Donna,
Then put them here fried.
where you going?
Me there.
Come past show. We are cook, food I cook.
And them a fry and me help them.
How are fry? This is what I go on. This is what I go on. Let's see how I fry. How I cook? I lie. Watch ya. This two of people taller than her. Now so I go on here.
Yeah.
To come right on time. But the brother, get my brother ready, you know. We're ready. Then I start on the right time. So how much again?
That 10.
10. And you fry your own franks and a boil. Whoa. So then I have to get up and do much work, right?
Yeah, tell you.
Yes.
Time me say me out tidy up the kitchen then so them are hungry.
Oh, we have one guest up there, you know.
Okay.
So we pass through here because she want to see, you know.
Oh. They man can we just go bathroom and say well come up the road. They say they want something to eat.
And we go on there so we can, you know, keep the people that informed where we're coming from. So all the viewers, all the donors, you know, this is Donna. And where Donna staying, where Donna living at the minute. You know, so this is Donna in the kitchen with all the little ones, you know, making breakfast. And where you are now, Aki? You had the lunch? Oh, you had the ramen. Oh, and 1 and 5 francs. So, all the viewers, man, and the donors, man, we're thanking you for the support. For who reach out for Miss Donna already so far. We're thanking you so much. Yeah, so the breakfast is ready. It's ready. Yeah, so this is the living condition where Donna is living at the minute, you know. So most of them might see the work going on, but they don't see where is Donna coming from. So this is where she's coming from and what's going on. So they will always ask, you know, no matter how small it is, you know, to continue and support Donna on her journey. You know, in materials, in any form of way, anything you can do, no matter how small it is. I could ever buy a meal, you know, we are asking, you know, all the kind-hearted people that continue and support Donna on this journey. You know, because when you can see the condition, you can see the kids them, so we just want to give them a better future. You know, so Donna, speak to your donors them, you know, and make sure you always pray for them. You know,
yeah, I always pray for them.
You're gonna need the support on the journey.
Yeah, I pray for
and as I can see,
the DreamTeam, the donors, them, everybody who help me, and all who help me to build the house and uplift me up. Yeah, thank all of the donors. Thank you for everything you want to do for me. I pray for you every day. I pray for someone who I know ask for uplifting at the work. I know God I go push on through.
Yeah, definitely, yeah, man. So we give thanks, man, and continuously we are asking you, please, and thanks, no matter how small it is, if you can continue to support Donna on this project, what we're doing at the minute. You know, so we're not far away. So we're doing what we can, you know, and what we can work with at the minute. So as I say, together we can make changes in other people's life.
Yes.
You know, together we can make the changes. So that's here we are sticking together. Each one teach one, and each one help one. So this is where we're helping Donna and our kids them for a better future. So we need all hands on deck, you know. So the deck is complete. I will know say Donna is comfortable with sharing our kids them. So we give thanks. I understand, Hero.
Understand straight. Yeah.
So you know, from Hero understand. We all understand. So we have to stick together and try to help out each other. You see, this is Donna kitchen area. So we're setting up the house. We'll definitely have a kitchen space as well too, and everything. So this is the kitchen area. Showing the kids. So this is the condition. Because I know most viewers new to the program, you know, seeing the project going on, but they don't know where it's coming from. So this is where Donna living. So this is where we're trying to upgrade for her and our kids then. this is the condition we are trying to uplift for Miss Dana. This is it. This is the kids' room. Which I try to uplift. So this is the way Dana kids' room. You know, as you can see right through outside. So we're just trying to make something happen. So we give thanks for all the support that we get so far. We give thanks. That's it, Dana. You ready to go up to the work site?
Yeah, I go up to the Kino. When I finish it, the baby asleep. I didn't feel it.
Oh, them are come after. Alright then, bye bye. That girl breed. She's pregnant. A fat she fat? Like. Look like she's pregnant though.
Yeah, cause even her nipples and beef, you see her nipples?
Yeah, that's a fat she fat. That's what you eat, your belly bang. Yeah, dog a live good man. Yeah, dog a live good life. Dog a big belly. You know see? Dog belly big, some slim. I don't want to be on camera. Walk on. Yeah, that's a shall live good life.
Yeah.
Shall put
Yeah.
shall bully.
Yeah. Fight them.
You can imagine.
Go, man. Go. You pass that one. You know what to do with it. Watch not.
Yes, yes. Yeah, man.
Good afternoon.
Come on, sir. Come on, that side.
Lord, you look young and fresh. How you doing? Yeah.
OverComers. So Stana, this is OverComers, you know?
Yeah.
It's one fraction of the OverComers from the US. Watch out!
Wait, get some good
You never see this?
No. Jella, what go on, Jella?
No knowing that go on party. She said me to leave him alone.
Yeah.
I said, you have to leave me.
Yeah,
Nah, leave him alone.
project.
Good.
We are
Sounds
till it finish.
man turn crazy glue. It's time.
And listen, one and things that Psalms don't know everything. Psalms tell me say him take a board and them go over there so and then fix the wall that was leaning. Because the wall was leaning, so them have to fix it. Right to that show. Which one of the wall them was leaning?
That one.
Ah, that one. Okay. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. Natural come. Teach you.
Naturally fixed the wall.
Right and naturally fix the wall.
Not teach you. Don't remember.
Come over here, sir. Make sure pass because I have to stand up on some side.
I'm gonna just put a chair right there. So come here.
No, she got in the sun. Come over here.
No, listen now.
Look at the guitar out of
Come
the
over the
sun.
sun. Yeah, come with No, no punch it.
Me have it.
Come here, Sovilia.
You can't black out. One is
One sounds a show off on
Come
Jella.
over here, so turn your face on. Yeah.
The sounds a show off. So when them say Sovilia in the comment section,
You always see me commenting about it, right?
So this is Sovilia. When always commenting.
AKA Ver.
Yeah, AKA Ver from the Overcomers.
Yeah, big up my auntie. Where she not stop with the Overcomers. Put her whole heart in. Big up auntie. And big up everyone else that help us. And you know, them come faithfully and willingly on board all the time. And always remember, guys, every dollar count.
Yeah, everything counts.
Right, Psalms? I'm gonna have Sam's birthday present to give him.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Sam's. The bigger one. So I'll never give for you, you know?
Yeah, you have to send Auntie one too. So
yeah, so you have to get the two of them and be off, you know?
Yeah, put the two of them in the box.
So you can put me close so you can see you get the DreamTeam shirt, you know?
And this is a pleasure. Trust me, I'm not telling a lie. I'm very, very happy. I feel honored to really and truly, I don't want to get emotional, but I really feel honored to really and truly come meet you guys. And to get my shirt.
And for Auntie as well too. And that's for a short cry. Round of applause. Days of joy, man. And if you recognize DreamTeam. Natural, come in. Cheers, man. Look at this, yeah? We have guests a cry. You know, it's privilege. Come in, we have. That's natural there, not each come true. So we have the guests crying, you know, for the work we're not do. To show them say, yo, what we're doing is not what we think, like it's small, it's bigger than what we think. So if you like to explain it to you, should we explain to you from another side, you know?
Yeah. You don't understand, because I see you guys are right here. You really don't understand the magnitude of what you guys are really doing. You're not selfish. You just really do from on the heart. Because like I was just telling my cousin, you're not getting a pay. No money in the ear, so. So it takes a good person with a good heart to really and truly come every day willingly to put in and to put out. Me never saw no vex yet or so no tired. Me tired of watching because me can't work like this. Yeah, so sometimes I say no man, but them women are strong girls. You know me have to go on a girl power. Yeah. God me say on a strong, you see me girls? My DreamTeam ladies on a strong body.
Thank you.
And Natisha, me say me have goosebumps. The goose are come from me. Natisha, me I tell you say, you know let me down. Me know you that do it. I'm glad you did. And you just come in and you fit right in the puzzle. And you that right there so. So I'm happy. I'm happy. This coming here, I don't plan out this long time. I ask, you know, which day would be good and this and that. The only thing I gonna miss is the work song. I did a wait to hear it.
What a dream.
Isha.
Yeah, for Natish.
Look here, my cousin, when you see me around, my nephew.
Yeah, one song.
I'm a DreamTeam family, I can't focus.
No breeze. Crazy glue. Jackson. Rasta Jackson.
See the word.
Come on, Rasta.
That's the man wait for work. Overcomers.
She's the Overcomers.
A part of the Overcomers.
Overcoming now?
No, just fish.
Alright, then come here, Natish.
Miss Dana boy, I'm not telling a lie, I'm afraid to come side here because the way you just look good and young and something. Why you clap me? Come. Come on, man, step on in.
Yeah, alright. My step on our songs.
Okay. And so my auntie sent this for you t-shirt. So she really appreciate you. And she just glad you just come and you fit right in at the puzzle. No, but you know? Yeah. So that's from, I would like to say the OverComers, but it's really from auntie.
I already applied.
Thanks, Auntie. I appreciate it a lot. May the good Lord continue to guide you. May your food basket never run dry. Dream team.
One team.
I wear tradesman there to come with the dream team one team. Come on, the
Tradesman, when the man, tradesman and I eat that.
I see come not now.
Yeah.
Dream team!
One team. One team.
And I eat that man.
Yo, what the man them there?
Yo, go on.
Dream team!
One team.
Dream team! Big up yourself.
And you see she's here, we give thanks.
Yeah.
So this is the
I have
privilege
something for Sam.
for Psalms.
For his birthday. You know why it never come already? Because
Because of
yeah.
Jella. Yeah, oh, so it come now.
Yeah, step out my baby because you have to keep the up man called Jella happy.
Yeah.
Jella, you see right now? Jella upset. Yeah. Never.
Never. I'm not sure. A smiley, I go buy paper sachets now.
No, Smiley can't.
What's smiley then? You never call her.
Make it drop down, man.
What should they check up? The Psalms. The Psalms and still a stretch on. Where the feet, Psalms? Psalms, we ain't gonna do that Monday when they get.
And so to Psalms, this is your birth flap. Psalms flap me.
No, believe it.
Barry, what did you get last night? What did you get last night, Barry?
Nothing. Last night gone already. Today and now. And Psalms, this is for your birthday. Right? Yes. Thank you, Auntie. Yes, baby, you're welcome.
But you remember, so when your auntie can, you go still have the rest of your auntie them. So you have to turn your back for you.
You don't understand what Angela do to him. You just seen it. You don't understand. Trauma. It's a trauma. Yeah, it's just traumatizing. Where Angela go on with every day, sir. It's crime.
Sounds Jella, them now see the half camera or
Nothing happen off camera, Kino. Nothing not happen off camera.
yeah. I catch him, man.
But you know, say,
See this, believe it.
me didn't really come and think him have a one nemesis. But it's a whole bunch. No. So I'm not putting in a suitcase. Carry it back with me. Everybody knows that I love Psalms and all. My auntie. Here I ratty this way you say you never your dress nice. Your birthday. Yeah. Your birthday.
Man pink of
Yeah.
Rasta Jackson. Why?
Are you me away from now?
Yeah.
Yeah, the work song.
Work song?
Yeah.
Where call
Baja. Oh, Baja there. Baja. Oh, so Baja, man. I use Sovilia away from the Baja. I'm not far over there.
I'm not asking nobody. Education him up. Education and him auntie. I'm warning Angela. Stay away from
Jella, you have to make some complaint about Psalms.
No, but Kino, from him hold on, him not legal.
Not legal now. I think my mother hold on for so long.
Yeah. But him never know me that come today. So that's why I'm hold you up. Well, Angela, you have to just accept it. You have to just accept, say, I saw it go. I said go, Angela. I said go. I said
Natural. Come true, natural.
You never have to do this. Never have to do it.
you know which crowd, so why did want him to do? If you turn him back on me, we'll come on.
Sabe, this is natural.
Just keep it
I can't keep it neutral, it's special. Hi, natural and the overcomers. So now you have a face to the overcomers. I watch Rasta Jackson.
Naturally.
Yeah.
Natural thing, yeah.
Yeah.
It's all natural. So it's natural browning.
Yeah.
Natural himself.
Yeah, man.
And a natural browning.
Yeah,
Jesus.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I've been living colors.
Everyone, you know?
Yeah.
The donors them can show up and
Yeah, man, Mr.
can show
Wait
go on, you know?
patiently for watch this big squeal. When I quick Angela. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. But
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Can make it work.
Listen to that.
Can make it work. Rasta Jackson. What will you tell them? Come on, baby.
Can make it work.
Can make it work. Slow down.
Can make it work.
Yeah.
Pop, 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 pack a doom, doom. Do, do, doom, doom. Doom, doom. Poop, poop. Pack a doom, doom. Do, 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 doom, doom. Doom, doom.
Yeah.
Doom, doom. Do, 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 doom, doom. Doom, doom. Pack a doom, doom. Do, 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 doom, doom. Doom, doom. Up there now. We can make it work. Can make it work. Up there again, Dream Team. I will tell them. Hey, can make it work. Can make it work. Rasta Jackson.
Gonna make it work.
Work, work.
Kino make it work.
Work, work.
Baja make it work.
Work, work.
Bibi make it work.
Work, work.
Jella make it work.
Work, work.
Loco make it work.
Work, work.
Natisha make it work.
Work, work.
And Boomin make it work.
What do you say? We can make it work. Can make it work. Yeah, see him here. See him here. Can make it work. See him here, Jackson. Can make it work. Up there again. What do you say? Doom, doom. Doom, doom.
Bestseller, bestseller.
Doom, doom.
Alright, ready. Up there.
We can make it work. Alright, Basha, come on, Basha.
Can make it work.
Yeah. Listen up.
Overcome and make it work.
Work, work.
Esther make it work.
Work, work.
Hero make it work.
Work, work.
Little make it work.
Work, work.
Baby make it work.
Work, work.
Storms make it work.
Work, work. Tell them. Can make it work.
Hey boy, sons. Can make it work. From top. Alright. We
Can make it work. Can make it work. Yeah. Again. We rhythm. Can make it work. Can make it work.
Well, listen, take it out.
The donors make it work.
Work, work.
And Baja make it work.
Work, work.
The Dream Team make it work.
Work, work.
Clean Team make it work.
Work, work.
So it's dum 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 dum. Oh, there now. Hey, can make it work. Can make it work.
From top again. We come on, man.
Energy can make it work. Come on, energy.
Can make it work.
Up there again, man. Up there again.
Kino make it work. Vivi make it work. Natural make it work. Hero make it work. Coxman make it work. Wormy make it work. Boy in the kitchen cooking.
Chicken make it work.
Can make it work. Can make it work.
Can make it work. Can make it work.
Sure.
No, me want more. Me want more. Me want more. Me want more.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.